Yeah, we can turn off the video. Take the helm.
Okay. Yeah. I remember you said you had fixed something. Was that on me?
Well, yeah, I made a bunch of commits. I fixed a bunch of things. Don't remember.
Okay.
Fortunately, Git keeps the history.
Yeah.
Can you make sure you're close to the mic and the gain is high?
I don't think this has a gain, but I can bring it closer.
What do you mean you don't think that has a gain? Here's the gain.
It's
Gain
this
is
mic.
okay.
It's this.
Yeah, good. It's good.
Okay. Yep. Yeah. I just did a git pull on master. I have this. Okay. I see some dependency bumps.
Mm-hmm.
A bunch of them.
Right, but before them, there was like my fixes that allowed all this to take place.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. And we also have some bumps that fail because of breaking changes.
Oh, interesting.
But before we fix anything,
Mhm.
we need to. Yeah, you see, I did some stuff with the actions
Mhm.
workflow, and
Okay. Okay. This is where we start. Okay. Rust toolchain.
yeah,
Okay. So
well,
this would have broken CI?
n- um, no,
Oh, okay.
not that. Maybe other things,
Okay.
dependencies
Oh,
that
okay.
breaking changes.
Mhm.
But even before that, I did some things. I think, right?
Um,
No, no.
no.
Um, Pendabot. Oh, yeah. Pendabot file was in the wrong place. Remove the blank line. I think this probably has to do with formatting.
Mhm.
Eh, yeah, this toolchain bump works for Linux.
Okay.
We still have to, yeah, and then I made this whatever change to the.
Mhm.
I think this
Okay.
replaces another, like a third party action
Okay.
that get zero replaced by first is like
Clippy.
right. A newer Clippy has this
Mhm.
lint.
Okay. More Rust up update.
Right. See, I had a rust up update command, and I don't think that helps with anything.
Hmm. Makes sense. Sample. Okay. Then we start bumping version.
Well, this is cargo make.
I
Cargo
forgot.
make is
Mhm.
there's this make file. Cargo make supports this make file, its own format of like make file for Rust
Ah,
projects,
okay.
which is I find it rather cumbersome and somehow poorly documented because it has a bunch of built-in tasks defined, and like where the heck is the docs for what they do? I don't know.
Mm. Oh, okay. These.
Yeah, so I kind of I want to move away from this thing, but so I did bump it, and I had to like change maybe a couple of things here to bump it.
Mm-hmm.
And then in the for the CI to for the I think it's for the checks to not need like permission for 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 the checks for the if the release job has a secret. That's the
Mm-hmm.
problem. And when a job has a secret, then if you get a uh, uh, pull requests cannot trigger a run because yes, it's unknown whether the thing that the pull request is trying to do is actually like send home your secret.
Um, mm. Okay. Okay, so the
So
PR runs don't have secrets.
the right they're like so this extracts the release job from the single job, the single workflow.
Mm-hmm.
Is it
Okay.
really actually an
This.
extract release workflow instead of a job? I think it's a work
Mm.
supposed to say that's it, release workflow. And then it makes it those jobs can just run.
Mm-hmm.
And something about an error correcting a workflow reference path.
Okay.
And lo and behold, the Dependabot can do, can the checks can run for Dependabot PRs, and then I can just
Mm.
click the button to merge, and that's what I did.
Oh, that makes sense.
So we have the dependencies that did not break anything. They're now probably up to date, and again we are
Mm.
in the position to um, see how we can normalize between platforms. I don't even just saying that sounds weird because why the heck would there be differences between platforms? Samya, can you explain to me?
Mm.
Do you remember
Yeah. Yeah.
something to do with like, okay, well, there are different items on different platforms, and then you get trait errors. It tells you, oh, this trait and that trait.
Yeah.
Just
The
there are just
different
difference.
numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's try it. Yeah, let's just try it on your platform.
Okay. I forgot
So
timer.
that's fine. We are going to stay on
Okay.
your because we want
Okay.
we need your platform. So let's just do a cargo test and see it fail, right?
Mm-hmm. Invalid dependency,
The heck?
which is missing a lib target.
It's one of the things that were bumped.
Mm.
Oh, I know what that is. That is like that's for the that's actually an executable. We have this thing called cargo run bin.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I remember. I think this needs a workspace. Or is this
Or maybe
what
it just
works?
works. I don't know.
Yeah, it works.
Is that so?
Uh, is this all the tests we have?
I don't.
7. That doesn't seem right.
No, we have
Yeah.
all the we have a CLI for
Yeah.
testing the rest. Let's see what see
Oh,
what the workflow does.
okay.
See the workflow.
Uh, mm, checks. Um,
It chooses
this.
cargo bin makers. You don't have to do the CI checks. You can take a look at the makefile.
Mhm.
So CI
Test.
checks is like CI checks main. Let's see what is main test, sleepy dog check. Yeah, well, cargo test. That's and that's it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That is weird.
Mhm. Mhm.
We need these tests. Don't see them running.
Are they like? Did I move things around and now these are outside of any crate?
Something here. Hmm, Getting used to my. Yeah. Oh. hmm,
That's what it says.
Yeah.
So in one
Delete
of the
it.
commits, I have. Can you show me where they
Commits.
are?
Yeah.
Not
Commits.
the
Right.
commits. Like just I don't care about where I got it wrong. Just show
Mhm.
us the directory structure because I don't know what the path of this file that you have open is.
Oh, this tests.
Okay, and there's okay. So I think I moved like there was there's a workspace can have a crate, a root crate.
Hmm.
I might have moved. Yeah, so try moving tests under lib.
Okay.
That what that where they belong.
Probably.
And then go to a cover test.
Uh, oh, wait, they're not compiling.
What's not compiling? The tests?
Yeah. Just read me. Did something change in this library?
Well, maybe if the bump happened after the tests were no longer even attempting to compile, then
Yeah.
I wouldn't have noticed that they're broken.
Hmm.
So we need a commit that moves them back and fixes them.
Mm-hmm.
And we cannot do that on your machine. I mean, maybe we can certainly have them compile on your machine. So that's fine. We can
Okay.
rotate on this.
Rotate now.
Well, yeah.
Um. Wait. We first need to switch to a branch, right? And then mob start.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is that fine?
I can't see it because it says Samyak's screen over it.
What? Oh. Uh.
Whatever. I
This.
don't
Okay.
branch names, whatever.
I got a new split keyboard and I'm trying to get used to it.
What is it?
It was uh, a custom build. Like the design is called a Shuffle. What? What's happening? Okay. Yeah.
Sharing. Oops.
Oh wait, I need to mop next. Okay, now it's done.
I need to systemctl restart. Yep. Screen share crashed.
Oh.
Okay, shared.
Yep, I can see it.
I didn't mean 0. I didn't mean O. All right. What do I have here? Some bump. I don't care about. Store. Switch. Pull. Switch. Fix. Start. Cargo test. Good. Tests.
Readme. Readme.rs is where it was failing.
Okay. Seems like a breaking change.
Yep.
Tokenizer. That would be a module, I suppose. No, this is a function here. Let's see what tokenizer are. Or read the docs for this. Let's read the docs for this.
Yeah.
Kogo doc, open p markdown.
Yep.
No? What do we get? We get a dump of something. Panic. Add.
Mm.
Did not find features, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what this means. It's not the first time I get this.
Is it because it's a test or a dev dependency? You need a dev flag?
Why would I don't think it?
No. Yeah. Because it said something about features.
Yeah, well, let's see what we have. With I markdown 1. And just do sorry. Let's do a the docs RS markdown. And it's probably going to be 1. Okay. And what are we trying to do?
get markdown headers and then do something.
Tokens. Okay, we need to get the tokens.
Mhm.
Okay. This module exposes primarily to HTML options to MDAST sounds like what we need,
Mm.
but there's also the token. Why don't I see tokenizer that we were like told exists?
Interesting.
Feature flags?
Mm.
Nothing interesting. MD. So let's see what this gives us.
Mm.
No, but like, what is this then? It's private, so we still get
Oh.
it. But so let's look at because I want to see the changelog, right? Because it
Mhm.
should be telling us how to migrate. Oopsie.
Oh. There isn't one.
Maybe in the GitHub. Um,
Mm.
Supposedly we had something before one.
I guess so. We can
I
check
mean,
that.
it's strange.
It's all
No?
alpha.
So who knows what we had? So let's go to search for Markdown. Markdown. Okay, it probably always said one. Let's look at the blame.
0.3.
030.
Mm.
So they didn't do GitHub releases before that, and there is no changelog file.
Mm.
Oh, maybe it's in a README. No, it's not. Fine. Okay. No changelog. We're going to have to figure this out on our own. So what if we have a result of node, right? Does node iterate? No. Variants. Methods. Children. Depends on what we do, right? Like we're kind of treating it as flat. What are we doing?
Yeah.
Block. Header. Block header span sum. What is even this? Limited character set in headings. We're finding all the headings.
Mhm.
Because we broke this before. Is alphanumeric or space or underscore or hyphen?
Mhm.
Okay, so we need to find all the blocks that are, and they should be in the root. Like that's just how Markdown is, right? It's not. It's like, sure, it's a tree, but
Mhm.
okay, I didn't make any change.
Okay.
Markdown is
Yeah.
like, sure, it's a tree because it can have arbitrary, but only because it can, mostly because it can have arbitrary HTML.
Oh.
Otherwise, it's quite shallow, right?
Mhm.
Like in HTML, you can have every like arbitrary nesting of things, but in Markdown makes it
Yeah.
more restricted.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
So mean we need to use that markdown to AST and see what we get.
Okay.
To MDAST. We got a tree. What do we have there now?
Uh,
Tokens.
DST. So yeah, use it here. Options. Do we try default?
Yeah. I don't see the timer going.
Oh. Yeah. See it now. Okay. And unwrap. And I think we can print it.
So how do we find the just children? I think this will be like children, and then that's probably iter.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, it's an option of vec. Okay, unwrap that. Negative vec. Into iter is not possible because it's a reference.
Mm-hmm.
We have a node. Match.
Node. Heading.
Change the binding as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Now it's not spans, it's heading. Okay.
Yeah.
But we kind of, okay. Fine.
Do we see what's in heading?
Yeah, what's the heading? We need to get the contents of it.
Mm-hmm.
Public fields. Yeah, we want the children. So just destruct the children out of it. It's a vec of node. Okay.
Where's the text?
There's no guarantee that it's text.
Oh.
You get a vec of node. What do we expect it to be?
Something about spans. First span needs to be a text span.
There you go.
Okay.
So there's probably a node text, right?
Node text, yeah.
So we don't need more than one filter map, right? Wait, what am I saying? Filter. No, we filter once to get the heading. And then I think for each we
just something very similar, like
I
heading
think we do a
dot
let else first to assert that it's a that it's just text. Make sense?
no, we have heading has children. So do we do the same assert here on children? These two.
Yeah, that could be a let else. Like,
okay.
Both that it's one and that it's a text node.
Like pattern match.
Pattern match on like slice maybe.
Uh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
And not just node text.
Oh. Okay, now it makes sense.
Children is okay.
What's wrong with this?
What's the mismatch? Why do we have two expected? What's the? I want one. What do we have two, 1 and 2 going on there?
No. Oh, also there's an error here.
Okay, fix that first.
Next it. Yeah, next it.
Sharing. Shared.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
Parse. Parser. I don't want either of these, do I? What's the difference between them? Oh, this is a reference?
The reference, yeah.
But I didn't want the fields.
Yeah. I think there was something for defaults.
The only difference is that we need default
Oh,
reference.
okay. Makes sense.
Expected an array or slice?
Found
Vec. Because we need to borrow this, right? And slice. I don't know why it doesn't just do drf coercion.
Yeah. Oh, that
But
looks
this
nice.
seems to work. All right. Like this.
Do you also say print the heading there?
Not header. Good?
Yeah, makes sense. And yeah, I think we can delete all of that.
That's not necessary. That's not
Yeah.
necessary. We should have this. Text does not implement display. What is text?
I think it's text. I can restructure that even more. Right, I think that's the wrong one.
What do you mean?
I think that's the variant.
That's
the enum
node.
variant.
I don't mean that. I meant, how do I know which one?
That.
Node text and this one.
Yeah.
What does this have? It
Value.
does have. It does have. Okay. What's the problem? Move. Where am I moving? What am I moving?
Oh, the value can be a ref.
What's what?
Yep.
Why?
Just and
You
value
can't do
should
this.
work.
Why not? I mean, this?
Yeah. Oh no. Okay.
It's not a thing.
No.
This? I don't know. I mean, this is consider removing the borrowing.
Oh.
That makes
Oh.
sense. We were
Oh.
pattern matching away the reference.
Yeah.
Okay.
The assert message is just a value.
Yeah, that's funny.
Should we say something like heading should contain only alphanumeric?
Well, it's unrelated. So let's see it working, and then we can do another commit.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, where is this? What's going on here?
Test
No such
dependencies.
file. Oh, it's probably trying to read something. I'm trying to read the cargo toml or something. Lib test dependencies from path. Manifest from path. Where's manifest going? Cargo toml. Path. Buff. From iter. No. Don't we have like a thing for this? And
Don't know.
cargo manifest path.
Oh, manifest path.
Of a test. Okay, that's a different one. Let me clean this out.
Yep. Starting. What was the error? Reading. Yeah.
Same problem.
I guess that
Do
path.
cargo manifest dear and then join readme, something like this. Path buff from env
Okay.
cargo manifest dear and then join that path buff.
How do I join?
Call join on the path buff.
Oh. Can I do this?
Mm-hmm.
And then that The same.
Is it the wrong manifest here? Because this, we need the work.
Oh,
Yeah, I think it's the wrong one. What other environment variables do we have? Work, cargo, work tree, route, something like that.
the temperature.
Stingy. Give us something to work with.
It is. I don't know where this list is coming from.
Yeah, that's a good question because it's not. It's build time. I don't know where it's coming. Try the cargo. Just search for cargo environment variables.
Log home target.
Configuration.
I guess none of these. Okay, manifest here. Yeah, looks like the same list.
But the list is not end. It did. E. Build scripts.
We are not in a build script. What's this? Finish target execute. Okay.
Well, then do explicit.
Like relative. What?
Yep. Path buff from iter.
There's one more. It's not one more. What directory is this running from? It's a different error. Assertion failed. Path new exists. D4. Oh, CI workflow. I guess it's the same here. We need this. Yeah, that does fix it, but yeah.
We need to rotate, I suppose.
Yeah.
I mean, do you want to change that to from iter?
This, yeah.
I don't think that should be in the assert. I think that the position of where the path is constructed should remain.
And the point of this is that it takes care of platform specific separators. Is that it?
Yeah. That's it. Does it need? It needs to be form.
Yeah.
Is file name not just a string anyway? A
It
stir
is.
even?
Yeah. Mm, there's some regex in there. I don't know what that is doing.
Sharing. Shared. Whoops.
Oh. Errors.
How does that happen? Okay, if this happened, then let's go switch to master and see what's going on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
But the tests are not running there.
Do you think that's like the problem here? The tests are not even running?
I think so.
Those tests are in there. Okay, so I didn't solve any problem. Okay, so we need to fix that as well. Okay, so switch hyphen, and we can do the what is it? Try build override and git if. Renamed. Oh, we have these renames because.
Oh, that's the move.
Those are the moves. Okay, fine. What's going on here? Is that like a new file? Looks like a new file.
That's weird.
Let's do this one at a time. Like lib tests, right? We have all these different ones, right? So what if we do what if I just restore this so we have no changes there, and then I do mob done so that I'm out of these commits, git reset, and now what if we like this is in lib, okay. What if we take tests, right? Put it back here. And then say, okay, you know what? We fixed what?
Those 3 files. But no, not test.
Just dependencies and readme.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, so if I do status, now we have modified here, right? So if I do git stash p, and I say everything in dependencies stash, everything in readme don't, and then I go and like cut readme and make lib tests, and put it here, and do cargo test. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
and I do git add, I'll get a what's going on here? Oh, sorry. I don't like it. It does that. I quit Yazi and I like end up it ends up changing my current working directory.
Oh,
I
weird.
really don't like that. Can we fix that for me?
Sure.
What do I have here? Oh, I have this thing. Let's ignore it. Yazi. Yazi. This thing? Okay.
Mm.
Now let's ask uh how to configure Yazi to not change my, I don't know, parent shell. Do not use Y or YA shell wrapper function. By default, plain Yazi does not write a current point directory file or change your shell directory when you quit. Use the right quit key.
Oh,
Oh,
Shift Q. Wow.
oh boy. So is that a home manager thing? Enable shell integration. Shell wrapper name. That's all we get here.
Mm.
And settings, of course. So this thing is not in the settings?
Um, Grok said there's a flag for it, so that should be a setting for it.
No CWD file. But it's the wrapper that does that, right? So if I do which Y, what the heck is that?
Oh, you're a new shell?
It's a custom command in new shell,
Mm.
in my new shell, right? So if I
Yeah.
do config new shell, config new, I should have Yazi here. Here this because the only way to for Yazi to achieve this, right? Because a child process cannot change its parent process's current working directory. That's why you need a shell wrapper for this.
Yeah, makes sense.
So it makes this temporary file. So I can, and this is Y. And I never want this. I never want this. I just don't want this. So how do I?
Yes, you disable shell integration.
No, I don't think shell integration is a bit more than that.
Oh, okay.
Right. If I go and see what trees, home manager, pull it. Oh, that's a lot of work in home manager.
Mm.
Look for Yazi. Shell integration, right? Here's new. So, 20 doesn't work. So here. Oh, it'll be on the config. That's fine. new shell extra config equals make if new shell integration. Okay, that's the entirety of the new shell integration.
Hmm.
And it is the wrapper, just the wrapper at the moment. So I was wrong. It is just the wrapper.
Okay.
So I could just turn it off, and then if someday there's more to it, I will lose out on that.
Yeah.
I could also change the wrapper name. I mean, alternatively, I could change the wrapper name, right? And if I still want Y, I'll just make an alias.
That also makes sense.
So let's do that. Oh, look, I did define the shell wrapper. Is that not the default? LazyGit also has one. Oops. Oh, the default is YY. No, the default depends on the state version.
Interesting.
And LazyGit has one. Recently started using LazyGit, and I just keep running. I mean, I have it and I tried it, but usually I just keep running commands. I don't get it. Like too much information. Just run the commands.
Yeah.
LG. Okay, good to know. It's LG. Okay, so default wrapper name underscore. No. And how do I make an alias now? I don't know how to do that.
That would be in your shell config.
How to use home manager to make alias cross shell alias. I think it has a thing for that. And recently, home manager's documentation is not single page anymore. Look, you have this.
Oh. Nice.
So shell aliases. And it has this option search.
Oh.
Where's the option search? Give me the option search. Give me the option search. Come on. Spatial options. Option search. Option search. There was an option search. Maybe not. I thought I saw it. Maybe it was in NixVim. I think it was in NixVim. Okay, shell aliases. Right? Yeah. No. Why? My my options, home manager configuration options. Home.j, home. Not this one. That one. Shell aliases. Okay. I suppose this should just work. Home.shell aliases.y equals Yazi. Right? NHOS test.
What is NH?
NH. It's I don't need to show you the website. I can just demonstrate. So NH OS. I have all these. Let's do help. NHOS boot build VM. It's a, or NH home for home manager, or NH Darwin if you want to use it.
Interesting.
And it has a clean feature.
Oh.
and
Nice.
it has an NH search, which I literally never used. Apparently, it has a search, and it's just nicer. And I mean, look at this. You get this
Oh,
progress thingy, and then you
mhm.
get the diff and
Nice.
with NVD.
Nice. Yeah, I have a custom shell script that does that NVD thing
Yeah,
and
now
the
you don't need it.
progress. Yeah, it's nice.
Okay, so now I do Y and enter some directory, modules, audio, or this, and I quit and I'm not there anymore. But if
Nice.
I do no, 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 then I will. Okay, cool. And then I will forget and be astonished as why I have a underscore no, no, no command later on. But we can live with that, right? Okay. No Yazi shall change WD, right? Thank you for helping me out with this.
Mm. Yeah.
Close all this up. And
Okay.
I can't rotate because I'm in this branch.
Yeah.
Just want to commit these two, right? So I need to add
Mm.
this, and then it'll actually be
Oh,
it fails to be a move.
okay.
Do you know how to force stuff to be a move?
Oh,
I think we can one commit move and then another commit change, make a change.
think,
So
or there is some git flag which can help us. I
I
don't
don't
remember though.
remember that. So I'm going to like move it back. Lib test readme test readme, and then do I get move? No, that's a bit unfortunate. Okay,
Mm.
here's the plan.
Mhm.
Here's the plan. I know what to do. Tests, readme. Move it to lib test. Okay, git stash. No, it'll be. I can't stash only the changes because the change is the entire file being there.
Mm. But can you not stash just the moved file?
Stash just the move. What does that mean?
I, I
I don't
don't
want to
do a.
stash the file. I want to stash the changes to the file.
Mm. Mm.
So now I need to figure out how to do this. Can I hint to Git that a file is moved, is really moved, even if that is not detected? I mean, it's probably the fourth time I'm asking this question.
It
Right.
move.
But I mean, I know I can do this. Okay. That's okay. What's the status? Okay. Move lib tests readme tests, right? It's modified. Git move tests readme lib tests. Is it moved now?
Oh, rename. Oh, wait, what? We have just a rename stage now.
What is going on? Is that real?
That's
Am
good.
I imagining it? How does that make sense?
And we got
But
what we need. No.
but as soon as the changes, okay, but we can do that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm resetting and then I do the move again. That's a bit awkward, but it seems to work.
Yeah.
Here, move this now. Status, okay. Git move. Tests readme. Tests. Status.
Mm.
Git commit, right? Because if I do git
Yep.
diff staged,
No changes.
it's just a rename. Okay. Git commit.
Mm.
Sure. Move readme tests into lib crate. Add changes. Now we have the changes.
Mm.
Can look at them.
The regex still uses like hard-coded separators.
What regex?
In README, there's a regex.
What do we need a regex for?
Something in the
Oh, it's for the. That's not a path. That's in the markdown.
oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, that should be fine.
Okay. So that looks all right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's commit. It's just a chore. Fixing a text is a chore. Fix readme test. Breaking changes. Something like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. And get now I have an where are the other ones? Did I stash them? No, they just
Um,
it's, must have stashed them, right? Show P. Yeah. Yeah.
mm,
Right.
mhm.
But I don't know that that's the correct manifest path now. I don't think it's correct. Because now it uses not its own. Yeah, I think I will ignore this and git push that branch
Mhm.
and mob start here.
Okay.
Each crate has its own manifest, and this, I believe, pertains to the workspace one. We can check.
Mhm. So this should be passing now. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, what was it?
Find
Dependencies.
out which manifest has the actual dependency version ranges.
This is the root. Root doesn't seem to have dependency.
Okay,
Wait.
then it is
Wait.
correct.
What's
No,
this?
yeah, this is
Oh,
metadata.
bin. Okay. I'll go run bin. this as dependencies. Yeah.
Sure.
And you just move the test.
What are what are we testing there?
All rev depths are caret constraint.
Eh, eh. I kind of want them to be asterisks instead
Oh,
of caret. But let's make the test correct and then think about it.
okay. I'll first move it.
Move it with git move,
Wait,
or maybe this will
this
not
should,
have a problem because it's just a small, so it'll be detected.
uh-huh. But should the move be a separate commit?
A what?
Should we make a separate commit for the move?
I'm saying it's such a small change, one line change. I think we don't
Oh, it
need.
doesn't matter.
It will be
Yeah.
detected as a move, right?
I haven't done the fix yet. Um, and let me just move back to my older key. Oh, it, okay. Um, yeah, it,
Okay.
rename and this.
Okay. Do a mob done on this, and that's another commit. Fix
Dependencies.
dependencies, test, breaking changes. It's not breaking changes. It's not even fixing it. It's just placing it back in place.
Like
So
move.
yeah, move dependencies test back in place.
Okay.
Push.
Up. That was push.
Now the one that why do we have more? Was this the compile fail? We have that. What is that?
Test.
That's
This
compile fail.
compile.
Okay.
I think
And
that's more than compile. Right?
it's more. Okay, so do a mob start and move these into place.
Mm-hmm.
That's oil file manager that you're using?
Yeah, that's oil.
I considered
Oil.
it. Went for something else.
Mm.
So it's a lot of choices.
Yeah.
One popular choice nowadays is Yazi.
Mm-hmm.
It's a plugin.
Do you use that inside Vim as well?
No, but I am saying that there is
Okay.
a Vim plugin for it
Oh,
to be
okay.
inside Vim, and then you know what that means, right? Like if when you
Yeah.
we make edits, it like figures out what to do with the buffers that have those files open and so on.
Oh, okay. Does that? Interesting.
Yeah, but I went for something else. I was like, sure, I would like to use one thing for everything. You know, you can even use Yazi nowadays as an XDG desktop portal file picker. So you I don't know, in your browser, for example, do Control O, and you get a terminal window with Yazi for selecting
Oh,
the file.
nice.
I'll look into that someday. So I think we should rotate because you can't handle this. I think
Yeah.
we should fix it for Linux and then see.
Up next. Pushed.
All right, sharing. Share. Start. Cargo tests. Okay. Now we can do the try build again, right? And git diff master is not the right thing to do here. I think it's more like git diff. Actually, I'll do a mob next real quick, and then go to switch fix tests, and then pull it because it's you made a push there, right? And then do a mob start here. And now I do a git diff against the base branch, and see what the So there should be moves of this stuff and some of the fix. But why is this? You think it's too big to be? Yeah, this one's too big. But how do we fix? We need to fix this, right? Like do this, and so I'm doing a mob done to move them first and then to fix them, right? So basically, I'm going to just undo this all, right? Right, just restore, get clean ID, clean. Now I'm clean. I'm going to do a git move, right? Lib tests everything into why lib tests?
Right? No.
Tests.
Yeah, tests. Into lib
Everything
tests.
into lib tests. Does that work? That looks right. Commit, chore, move. Test. I don't know. Move wayward tests back in place. Okay?
Yeah.
You know the song? Do you know a song with the word wayward in its title?
I've heard some song.
Right?
Yeah.
Carry on my wayward child. There'll be peace when you are done.
Nice. Yeah, I've heard that.
Don't you cry, no.
Nice.
I like it. I think
What's the name? I forgot.
I think it's Kansas is the band. It's called Wayward Child, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, Wayward Son.
Wayward Son. That's why it rhymes with done. Okay, I'll push this. And now finally we can do the try build overwrite. And just do a git diff. There we go. Hey. What? Oh, this is this nonsense we were seeing.
The indentation, yes.
I wish we could just bump Rust another time and this would be gone. But I don't think we had a release since then.
It looks like it's fixed now. Indentation.
This is a fix.
Yeah. We had a snapshot with the bug.
Yeah. Okay. That's great. That's all it is, right? Okay. Okay. Let's add this. Yeah, it's okay.
A bit hard to tell if it had other changes.
I don't know. I think I'm quite good at this.
Okay,
Git diff staged. I don't know. Seems
Is there a diff with ignore white space or something?
No, xdiff. Ignore all space.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah. This is where LazyGit might be nice. Because I set up, so how do I do this? I set something up and then I don't know how to. Is it just tab? Yeah, no. Well, it has a help here, right? Diff. I have a key for rotating between different diff tools.
Oh.
But why don't I see it here? Tool. Oh, come on. Why won't I toggle? Why doesn't it show me all of them? What do I need to do? Is it custom one? And then it's not showing? LazyGit. Nah, that's not it. That's not it. It'll be in here. These are the pagers. So it's not the word diff and not the word tool. It's the word pager that we're looking for. Where's LazyGit? Did I close LazyGit? Pager. Pay. Pipe. Okay, so I set up multiple pagers so that this is like looks like vanilla, which is not very useful here, but it cannot take flags. See, these TOIs look fancy, but then you know you're stuck because it doesn't take a flag.
Yeah.
And this is but this helped. This is this is
yeah, it's not bad.
What's this one? This is difftastic, the syntax based one. But for this file, there's no syntax, so it doesn't help. This is the other one. Come on. It's been around for a while. You don't use any diff tool?
I used to have difftastic, but I'm back to default now.
Come on. Delta.
Oh, Delta.
So here's how you can, have all three and you can just This is the default is empty.
Nice.
Okay, pipe, it's pipe. It's pipe. And delta shows us the white space. So every
Yeah.
line has this white space prefix, and that's the only change. Okay. So I'm going to, so if I do test now, it's all okay. And we have nothing in like tests here.
Hmm.
There's nothing there. So on Linux, it's good. Now let's just commit that,
Mm-hmm.
right? Sure. Sure. Fix. Update. Fix. Update. Test. Output. Compile. Fail. Fail. Put. Snapshots. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I should just push this to master.
Sure.
Can we do cargo bin makers CI checks right here? It has a couple more checks. Okay, fine. Okay, so I'll just push this to master. Merge. Fix tests. Push.
Mm-hmm.
Git push delete origin fix tests. Git branch d fix tests. And now we can rotate.
Started. Wait, it did not start. Oh, like that. Yeah. So cargo test should fail now.
For only that.
Yep. So what was that?
And for
Try
how
again.
much? How many? If you do the try, it shows diff, only 2.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And what exactly is this about?
Send safely between threads, share safely between threads.
What the
And
heck is that?
the order
Oh,
you're
it's not,
sent
it's
and
an
shared.
order. Oh,
And
okay. That's much better than it being a different term on a different platform.
yeah, it's also this extra in both.
It's not, is it extra or is it the order? It's
I
extra.
think it is extra.
Just confirm your toolchain version.
And looks like 196.
And mine 196.0. Okay.
And this is Difftastic. I forgot I had it.
I don't know how you can forget you have it because sometimes it messes up
Yeah.
and sometimes it shows you no syntactic changes, and then you need to get the real diff.
Yeah, I think it's because I don't use it on my work laptop. And just don't use personal that much. Yeah, I think the order and this.
Well, order is hard to fix, right?
Mm, yeah, unless we separate out the two things, key type not send, and then another test for key type not send.
Don't we already have?
How we do?
I see. Well, that could be a step.
Mm. But there's also this diff. I don't think that would be fixed.
Yeah, but then we have one less difference, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I think we should probably do that anyway.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Get us closer.
Hmm?
It'll get us closer.
Yeah, true. Uh, partial, yeah.
It's easier to stash and then, or do that.
I don't need this diff anyway. Mm. So we're using RC as the type that doesn't have sensing. How do we create a type that is send?
I know what send is, but I don't remember what sync is.
Think is that our immutable ref can be shared across threads. Something along those lines.
Okay. Well, just ask an LLM. What's a type? Like, what's example of a type of? Is there a type in the standard library that is?
Send. May take some time. Cell and ref cell or send but not sync. Sync but not send mutex card.
Okay, let's start with cell because it's trivial to get.
And then next
Sharing. Okay, shared.
Mhm.
T. Fetch. Switch. Compile. Start. And Rust cell. Cell. Not sync. Send. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, send. Huh. So there's key type and return type, right?
Yeah.
Which one was it that in which we have a
Uh,
difference at all?
both.
Both.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the std there, and this is the, okay, so I'm going to go with return type because it's, no, key type because it's alphabetically.
Mm-hmm.
This is small, so I'm going to just create a new file. We call it key type. Yeah, no, it. Key type, not send, not sync.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Nothing.
Okay.
Yes.
And go to key type, not this. Copy this over here. Close that. And then we're not going to use RC.
Mm-hmm.
And we're also not going to have any support here because this is not in a crate.
Yeah.
So std cell. How do you get one?
Do we need one?
We did one. No?
We just need the type of it.
Just the type?
Yeah.
Cell.
And then the function argument will be set.
Is that it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's big. Oh, hash is not implemented. What?
So not send. Okay. The only difference is we changed RC to cell. So I don't know what this is about hash.
Mm.
RC, because RC is like transparent. You can, so if we go to Rust RC,
Mm-hmm.
I think it has an implementation of hash map. See, I just saw it. No, hash, right?
Yeah.
Hash if the
Hash.
T is hash, but
Yeah.
cell does not, because
Mm.
it's just a shell. It's not like you have to do some explicit calls in order to get the value, so you can't have implementations on it, right?
Oh. Yeah, it is interesting.
So where does the hash come from?
Mm-hmm.
That's the stored type.
What?
Oh, I mean, the bound for
Mm-hmm.
hash comes from our stored type.
Mm-hmm.
And that stored type happens to need hash.
Hash. Yeah.
I not sure what to do here. It's like we need a type that is hash map as well. That is hash as well.
Mm.
What if we made our own type and implemented hash for cell of that?
Yeah. Or implement
Strut
our own type that is not sync and use that.
hash unit that is not sync. I don't think that's cell is not going to be sync anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah. Mm. I mean, if we are anyway creating a new type, why even use cell?
Because
Just make.
how do you make a type that is not sync?
I think I thought you could mark it like impl not sync or
Really?
type. Yeah.
How do you do that? Impl
Right.
not sync,
Yeah.
not sync.
Yeah. For not sync.
Right.
I think that is valid syntax. Not sync. Yes. Oh, experimental. No, I guess only the standard library can do that.
What if not sync simply contains a cell?
Yeah.
Do a tuple.
Ah,
Sure.
yeah.
Then it's not
Mhm.
sync, right?
Yeah. Then we implement hash,
Derive?
but it doesn't have anything to derive from.
I think you're right. Give it a fake implementation of hash.
Mhm. Um,
No completion here.
yeah. Uh, Wait, can we use a B-tree map instead? I think that doesn't need hash, but it needs eq and ord.
I think we can do that. Is it easier?
Yeah, I think even hash map needs eq anyway.
Okay.
So, uh, partially, mm, then
It's all fine, right? Like underscore to do underscore maybe not won't work.
uh,
No, it will work. Well, why not?
mm-hmm,
It's valid. And to do is fine. I mean, maybe unreachable is better than to
uh-huh,
do.
ord. think partial OR and then OR.
Right. I don't think B-tree map needs ORed. I think partial ORed is enough.
Oh, I saw OR.
Okay. You saw ORed?
Yeah, in the previous error. Okay,
Okay.
let's try with partial OR. Partial. Yeah, OR. OR has a different implementation. It's still a big diff. Oh,
It's not sync of unit. It's not sync.
oh, right. Cell cannot be shared. W law. Okay.
There's no mention of send, right?
Yeah, that is
Oh, looks
part
right.
of the type. Yeah, looks right.
So now we have one that is complaining only about sync.
Mm-hmm.
Now we need one complaining only about send.
Mm-hmm.
That was something like a guard something.
Yeah, mutex card. Mutex card. I think mutex card is a ref, has a lifetime.
Sure, let's try. It it might be easier because we don't have to make up a type. But what about ORD and such? No way that Mutex Guard has ORD. We might have to
let's
do the same thing.
let's try this.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, this is sync. Send. Oh,
Can you like
cannot.
accept the sync one? So it doesn't.
Yeah. How do I accept only one of them? Oh, you
Using
can
the
just move
CLI.
the file. Hmm? Oh, there's a
You can,
CLI.
yeah, but you can also move the file.
Then so wait, need that. Okay, we need all of it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, next.
Sharing. Shared.
Now you should have just the send failure. Hmm. Wait, there was another failure. What was that about?
I'm going top to bottom.
Okay.
Cannot find type Mutex Guard.
Yeah, I forgot the import.
Let's go below that. Expected There's a mismatch. Cell cannot be shared between threads safely. That's an actual cannot be shared between threads safely. Somehow that's different, right?
Oh.
We could try overwrite
Mm-hmm.
and diff. Heck is this?
Oh, it's a similar thing. It's showing this code.
Showing what?
And so in mine, we saw that it was showing 3 lines of hash map.
Yeah.
Looks like the same thing. It's showing 3 lines of the definition.
Strange, isn't it?
Yeah. Why would that be platform dependent?
Okay. Well, I think it's a. I mean, it's what we were aiming for, right?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yeah.
but also, I think I shouldn't have accepted whatever this.
Yeah.
Not send is wrong at the moment, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because not send. We don't have mutex guard, so I don't know where to get mutex guard from. There's no completion. Okay, let's go to mutex. I've been there. And search for the guard. This is Tokyo.
Oh.
Rust mutex guard. Stood sync. Let's try this. See the diff.
Oh, the diff won't show this.
But I mean, I
But
did try build override. It should fail in some way, right?
yeah, but the studer file is not tracked.
It's not.
It's untracked. Yeah.
Didn't.
Because
Next.
this one is a new file.
It is now. But now I don't have a diff, right?
Yeah.
So let's just look at it.
Yeah.
Not
Not send.
send. Not send stood air. There's no ord.
Oh.
Wait, I think I will. How about like not? I go to not sync and just grab all this.
Yeah.
And go to not send
Mm-hmm.
and just plop it in here. Delete this. Grab mutex guard. Put it here. Remove this and do. Where's cell? Okay, wherever cell is, we change this to not send and mutex guard. And this is a lifetime, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Not sync. I used to remember how to do this. Let's see. S,
Yes. Yeah.
not sync, not send. C?
G.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Not bad. Cargo. Try build. Try build override. Override.
Oh.
For that same implementation.
Oh,
Missing lifetime specifier.
can we just
Expected
say
names.
static?
Okay. No, I get it. I get it.
Can we just make it static then?
Oh. That's much smarter than what I was
If
going
it
to do.
works.
There you go.
Ah,
Cannot be sent.
yep,
Okay. So
nice.
basically we look at this, not send instead there.
Mhm.
Cannot be sent between threads safely. Cannot be sent. Within not send. Yada yada. Required for all that. Required because. B-tree map. Whatever that is. Implementation details exposed to the user, but this is where we
Mhm.
live. So I think we're on the right track. I think now we can remove the combined one.
Mhm.
Start by removing the combined one because it's annoying.
Yeah, right. Not return type, key type.
You know, can you like restore so that we have the diff?
Mhm.
Now remove and mob next. Now do the thing.
Mhm.
All right. What is
Yeah, nice too. And then that's the return type. Not send, not send.
Oh, now we have to do the return type.
Yeah. Mm. Okay.
Well,
It's
how's your
it's the
time?
same. Um, can take for like 5 more minutes.
Well, I don't think we're going to make much progress in 5 minutes.
Okay,
So let's call it.
sure.
And
Yeah. Next it.
I think it's pretty good. It would be interesting. You know, one thing we could like just quickly ask the LLM, hey, why? Just give it the diff
Mhm.
and like ask it just why is this happening on. And don't give it the part with the combined, right?
Oh yeah. Uh, mm, that should be fine.
Well,
And some context.
no, just you don't need the context. The only it's the diff and ask it, why do I get why is
Get these
why
extra line.
yeah why these extra lines in
Mac.
macOS? Yeah, good. Um, is that how it folds? Okay.
It's not, it doesn't render
I think
markdown.
it's because you didn't give it a blank line before the.
Oh, oh,
Nah. Really?
mm, wait, are you using Rust?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Do we have this? Oh, we don't have Rust source in component.
Okay, let me share screen and see what happens if I add Rust source.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, why do you have it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Did you make a change that?
No, it was just the diff. I haven't pushed anything.
Okay. So first, where is which cargo, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's Rust up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Toolchain, Rust
Rust.
source, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, all I need to do is cargo test.
Yeah.
Let's do the try build. And it'll download Rust source, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
There they are.
Nice.
Okay. But I don't want to make this change.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to make this change. I want us to complete, like now we know what it is. And we actually pretty sure that we can eliminate this, at least for now, right? One is because of a toolchain discrepancy. Okay, fix this toolchain discrepancy. And another is because an actual platform difference, some ordering thing,
Mm.
which we eliminate by just having singletons.
Yeah.
There's no list to order.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense. Yeah. Then I
Okay,
think.
but
Mhm.
yeah,
Yeah, I think the Rust source thing can go as a separate change. It's not really dependent on this.
yes, but we shouldn't do this. We already started here, so we don't want conflicting changes. So I think we
Yep.
should wait.
Yeah.
Do it after.
Yep. Makes sense.
All right. So we know what to do next time.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad we found that out on the last few
Yeah.
minutes. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. That's nice. Now it's all knowns now. No unknowns.
Until the next platform difference.
Yeah.
Awesome working with you, Samyak. If you watched so far and you want to join us, then just shoot me a message.
Join what?
Not you, the viewer.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Cool. And
And let me
thank
stop
you.
the recording.